This video is going to show you how to get SCF or NDC entry discounts for your mailings. Now, if you're going to be dropping your mail off at your local SCF facility, check the SCF box beneath the local checkbox. If you're planning on dropping your mail at your NDC facility instead, you can check the NDC box. And if you plan on dropping some mail at your NDC as well as your SCF, you can check both of those boxes in addition to your local checkbox. The local box will always be checked. Now, there might be a situation where you're going to be mailing or sending mail outside of your local SCF or NDC areas, in which case you'll need to create an SCF or an NDC chart. And the way you create an NDC chart is identical to the way you create an SCF chart. You would just hit the NDC chart button here instead. So I'm going to show you how to create an SCF chart, and then you'll know how to do both. The SCF chart button is right here. So I'm going to click on the SCF chart button. I'm going to create a new chart. And before I create the new chart, I'm actually going to notice I already have some SCF selected. It says I have 3 out of 312 selected. So I'm going to hit this asterisk button up here. Now it selects all of them. I'm going to hit it one more time, and now it selects none of them. So I've got no SCF selected. I'll click on the Create New Settings button, and now I'm going to give the SCF chart a name. I'll just call it Demonstration. Hit Tab, and now I can choose the SCFs that I want. So we're in the Central California area. I'll just scroll down to the California general area here, and I'm going to find Long Beach in Southern California. We'll try go up a little bit northern, and we've got San Francisco here and Fresno. But all three of these SCF facilities are outside of my local SCF area. I can click on this button here to show the ones I've checked. Now, it might not be worth it to me to drop 200 pieces in San Francisco and another 200 in Los Angeles or Long Beach. The trucking or the gas prices alone might make this not worth it unless I mail a certain amount of pieces to these SCFs. So that's where the threshold comes in. I can type in a threshold number in here, and that'll make it so unless this threshold is met, I will not get SCF rates for these destinations. As an example, I highlight this number here, and I'm going to type in 500, and then I'll hit the down arrow button, and that fills a 500 threshold into each of these boxes. This means, again, unless I have 500 pieces of mail qualifying for the SCF discount in Long Beach, for instance, then I will not claim SCF discounts for Long Beach. And I can change any of these numbers. I can make Fresno 200 here. I can make Long Beach 1,000. So all of this is flexible. Now when I'm finished creating my SCF chart, I can just hit Save, and now it's ready to go. I know that my SCF chart is selected because it now reads SCF chart Demonstration, the name of my SCF chart, rather than the city and state. The SCF entry discount is a little over 4 cents. The NDC discount is 1 cent cheaper than the SCF discount. So it may be a good idea, and it might be quite a money saver if you drop your mail at your SCF or your NDC facility, or drop it at a facility that's outside of your area. In the next video, you'll see how to create a DDU chart for flat size carrier route mail.